Hello, everyone. Share the AppleMacOs version of AdvancedLivePortrait, a real-time expression modification program. This item can be modified in real time. Animal facial expressions. What you see is what you get, WYSIWYG. Open the DMG installation package. Copy the project to a local disk. Double-click the icon to run. The above three parameters control the pose and orientation of the head. Modify the size of the eyes. Modification of eyebrows. Modify the direction of gaze. Modify smile. The device is a M1 MacBook Air. Basically, it can be done in real time to show the modification effect. Compare with the original image. Above, thank you for watching. Here is Lu Yu's technology blog.